MySQL/Python load data local INFILE error. I am working with OS 10.10.5 and MySQL the 5th of July 2011 and trying to load text data to MySQL tables. My code was working until I add load_data function. Then the code gave this error. And it directed me to the. Then I found my default.cnf and copied it to /etc. I added local infile equals 100, miscalled. When I asked MySQL, it gave me Finally, when I added local_infile equals true to return of the connect function, it raised a new error. But there is the file try1.txt in the directory. How can I solve the problem?
The problem is likely in the MySQL client. It looks like you should be able to do the following.
Isso é o que se chama risco de